Welcome to Paddock Motorcycles. If you are looking for great savings on quality used bikes, then you have reached the right place. Paddock Motorcycles are a specialist used bike and Yamaha dealer based in Cheshire. We are proud to offer you a first-class customer service and very competitive pricing. At Paddock Motorcycles, we stock a range of used bikes to suit all budgets and lifestyles, so we are sure to have the right bike for you. We offer advice on vehicles and vehicle maintenance, and our friendly staff will go the extra mile to guarantee that you receive the advice and support you need. At Paddock Motorcycles, we don't just sell bikes, we do everything possible to get you on the road with your perfect bike. We can deliver nationwide and we accept all payment methods. So give us a call at any time.